They have so many freaking cute shoes, and you guys are gonna thank me later for putting you on. Okay, you guys are gonna thank me later for putting you on. Hi babies. So today I have a video for you guys. It's going to be a freaking shoe haul, and I'm so excited for this one specifically because I have been in the market for some new shoes, you know, for the summertime, and some sandals. I have two pairs of sandals to show you guys today, and they're so freaking cute and elegant and just very stylish, you guys. And I did already try them on because I was just so excited when I got the package, and they're absolutely comfortable. They fit me perfectly, like to the T. Usually it's really hard when you order online different shoes and stuff like that. A little bit tricky to order shoes online because the sizing, you just never know, right? You just never know. Are you with me on that one? Are you with me? Because Baby Yoda's with me on that one. Okay, so yeah, I partnered up with ARROMIC, you guys, and they have so many affordable. First of all, I'm coming through for you guys with the affordable. Go check them out right after this video, you guys, because you guys are gonna be like, oh my freaking gosh, that is super affordable, and they have so many freaking cute styles. I'm gonna be purchasing some myself. They did reach out to me, so I was so happy to work with them, you guys, because I love them so much. Like, I really do love them. So yeah, this video right here, you guys, is going to be an ARROMIC shoe haul. I'm so excited, so let's just go ahead and get straight into it. If you guys are new to the channel, hi, what's up? My name is Jessica. If you guys are back, then welcome back. And if you are new, if you like what you see, make sure you guys subscribe and join our family, because I would love to have you as part of our family. And yeah, make sure you guys like this video for more shoe hauls. If you guys want me to put you on to some other cute shoes, because you guys are gonna love these. I'm sure you guys are gonna love these, and if you don't, just let me know down below, you know, just let me know. I really appreciate you if you watch all the way to the end, you guys. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get started with this little shoe haul collection because I'm so excited for it. Let's go. So I first want to talk about their shipping. So the shipping came extremely fast. Okay, the shipping was just so freaking quick, less than 1 week, just like my last video, you guys, or if you guys saw my bikini try on, everything just is shipping really fast. Okay, so the shipping, you guys should not be worrying about that because it's gonna come really fast. So you guys, I have right here 2 pairs. So let me just go ahead and start off with the sandals, and then I'm gonna just move on to the shoes that I do have to show you guys. I'm gonna start off with these cute ones right here, you guys. So it just comes like in a little baggie like that, and when it did arrive, it arrived in a DHL package. I will show you guys a picture right here. The DHL package came super fast, so yeah, definitely good right there. So this is the first pair right here, you guys. These are just so freaking cute. They remind me of like Cinderella kind of type shoes. Like if Cinderella had sandals, like these would be it, you know. But yeah, you guys, these are just so freaking cute. I absolutely fell in love with these instantly. So this is what they look like. So they're,
you don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better show them eyelashes. You love what you do with a pass. Ooh, that shit trash. I fuck with you, girl.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me.
they have like these little rhinestones all over this part right here, you guys. I absolutely love them. Can you guys see that? Like, it's just such a freaking cute shoe, such a freaking cute sandal. I am obsessed. Okay, I am obsessed with these, and they do fit me perfectly, like right to the T, so that's very great. They fit me perfectly, you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. So these fit me perfectly, you guys. I got true to my size, I believe. So I will leave all the sizing information down below for you guys, but the size for this one, I got 37. So I believe that's in European sizes right there, 37. And I'm usually a 5.5 in kids, and I'm like a 6 in women's. Or is that a 7 in women's? 6 to 7, something like that. Definitely check the measurements, you guys. I kind of went based off of my other shoes that I have. I just looked inside of my shoes, and I saw like the little sizing right there and the conversion that they had, and I kind of just went with the shoe size that I truly am. Fit me perfectly. I feel like these shoes are worth way more than the affordable price that they have on their website. They just feel like freaking expensive shoes, you know, expensive sandals. The design for this one, I fell in love with them, and yeah, they're just very, very cute. I love these very much. I keep saying that, but it's because I do love them, you know? So that's those sandals right there, you guys. The next pair, oh, I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna love these as well. And these are like definitely summer ones right here. Like, you can freaking rock these, okay? So these are the next ones right here, you guys. They're just remind me, they kind of like an inspo for Versace, in my opinion. Kind of like dupes, I guess you can say. Like, just giving me that Versace vibes, and that's why I picked these out specifically. But you guys can see a little close up there for these. These are just very, very cute. These are just absolutely so freaking beautiful, you guys. Look at that like detail first of all, and then the side just looks like that. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh.
You always wear them glasses. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better charge them eyelashes. You love what you do with a pass. Ooh, that shit trash. I fuck with you, girl.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be.
I can't wait to start wearing all these shoes, you guys. They're just so freaking cute. I love them. So these just have a little bit of yellow in there, some brown tones, and like I said, they just give me that Versace kind of vibes. So fell in love with these. Once again, these are in the size 37 as well. And these just fit me so freaking cute. These once again fit me perfectly, so 37. And like I said, I'm usually a 5.5 in kids for Jordans, so I don't know if you guys want to go based off of that, but also just check the measurements that they have. So these are what these look like, you guys. So yeah, once again, these are just so freaking fire. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with these. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. And you guys can get a discount with that. So make sure you guys use my code, because you guys will get an extra discount off of already these like affordable prices. So that's what I love about them, you know. They did give me a coupon code for you guys, so I'm so happy about that. And they do provide shipping all over, you guys. Like, everywhere. Free shipping everywhere if you order above $35, you guys. So make sure you guys get that $35, okay? I'm sure it'll be easy to get there because they have so many cute styles, like I said. So the last pair is in this box right here, you guys. And for this specific one, I did actually size up, because it was in the recommended, like I read the page, okay, and it said recommended to size up for this specific shoe, and I did, and they fit me perfectly because I sized up. So I highly recommend if you guys cop these, make sure you guys do size up. Okay, so this is a size 37 as well. I guess usually I'm a size 36 in sandals, I guess, or in shoes. Actually in shoes, because you want it to be a little bit more tighter than sandals, right? Am I right? I don't know, but I know that I sized up for these because I was checking the measurements, and I guess the measurements were a little bit off. So I did size up for these. I had no issues with my sizes. Everything fits me absolutely perfectly. These fit me a little bit bigger, but shoes are supposed to fit you a little bit bigger. If I would have went with the lower size, forget it. It would not have fit me. It would have been too freaking tight, and it would have ached my feet, my toes. So yeah, I'm so glad that I got these. You guys are so freaking cute. Like, it has like the little red, yellow, and blue lines right there. So these are just like some chunky big shoes, and you guys already know I love my chunky shoes. So I went ahead and got these, and I just feel like these are just super, super fire. They're so cute. The heel is definitely bigger, so it's gonna add a little bit more height to me, because you guys know I'm short. I'm a shorty. So I do really love shoes that make me look a little bit taller. I'm so excited to wear these, you guys. I love them so freaking much. I love them. I love the detailing right here of the 3 colors, and I'm just in love with these shoes, okay? These are definitely going to become my go-to white shoes from now on. I already know. So yeah, once again, the quality for these are super, super great. I love them, and the sizing is absolutely good. I will leave all the links down below to the shoes that I personally got.
Pretty little thing, you got it big and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. We ain't hitting you the DM looking for that. Talking while you come around and not solid. Blue the pick 17 on guidance. You can stay low, but you know what the vibes is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it.
But yeah, these look bomb. They're bomb, and I just love them, okay? So my favorite ones from this haul, oh, I feel like they're gonna be switching around on me. Honestly, I was gonna go with these, but I feel like the other ones are my favorite ones now. No, oh man, it's really hard. It's really hard to choose my favorite ones for this specific video, you guys. I always like to mention to you guys my favorite picks. It's just really hard, but if I had to choose, I would go with the sandals, just because lately I have been in like search for some new sandals, stylish sandals and comfortable sandals, and these are exactly it. So I have to say for this haul, these two are going to be my favorite ones, you guys. Like I said, I have been in the search for sandals because I actually don't have many sandals, so these are my favorite, okay? And yeah, I can't choose between these two. I love them both, so yeah. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is pretty much the end of the video. Alright guys, that's everything that I have to show you guys for this video. I love this video because everything is just so freaking cute, and I hope that I put you guys onto some of these sandals or shoes. If you guys go check them out, use my coupon code for that extra 18% off, because yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys let me know which ones were your favorite ones and which ones you guys are going to cop. Make sure you guys let me know also which ones you guys suggest for me to cop, because I need more freaking cute sandals. I feel like I need to expand like my sandals collection, so make sure you guys let me know down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys. Actually, you guys already know, I always tell you guys this: you matter, stay hydrated, stay safe, and continue going with whatever you're doing, you guys. You're doing great. I believe in you. I love you so freaking much, and I think that's everything. Stay blessed, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Peace.
You never been with a chick this bad.